In today's video, I'm going to be featuring a vegan lipstick. It's a made in India brand. It's a baby in the market, in fact. And I am super happy to bring this to you for multiple reasons I will share with you. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Purna Ganesh and I welcome you back to Joy Geeks. This is where I create beauty and wellness content, fashion stuff too. I love making lipstick swatches and you love them too. And I am more than happy to bring to you a new brand called Clome Essentials. I have been trying this brand for over 6 months, I believe. I have been in touch with them and I have been loving this formula and I'm finally happy to present this to you. But I will tell you the pros and the cons. I will take you through all of it as transparently as I always do. Clome Essentials is doing some remarkably new stuff when it comes to being environmental friendly, and I'm very thrilled to share with you that even their packaging is taking care of the environment. It comes in a packaging like this, which is not plastic. Alright, this is made of tapioca starch. So this is plant-based, biodegradable and non-toxic, compostable at home or commercially, animal friendly and recyclable with paper. It is such a phenomenal idea to be doing this. I was supremely impressed that they have gone all out to make a difference. This is made out of tapioca starch, like I said. And it's really nice. It's very soft. It came fine through the post. Nothing happened to it. You know, let's see. Let's stare and see. Wow. It really took a lot of effort. So what we need to do is choose to boil me for 30 seconds to turn me into a nutritious starch for your soil. And they also send seeds along with this, which is wonderful. So you can use this and you have a plant right there in your own garden, in your own terrace or in your balcony and stuff. I do want to bring special attention to the beauty and care with which they pack their stuff. Their packaging is environmental friendly, but also I find the aesthetics of the brand beautiful. How is that? I'll just show you. This is how one of it came to me. I want you to even look at their logo, and it is very sweet kind of packaging like this. Even their boxes come like this, very elegant, very sophisticated, and this is only priced at rupees 600, and of course you will have discounts. My code will be there. I think this is a very well done brand in terms of packaging at the cost that you get. I haven't seen packaging that makes you feel really nice and happy. I think it's a great gifting item too. Some of the other things they're taking care of is they're not using bubble wrap in their wrapping, which is great. They're using corrugated mesh wrapping paper. And also the tape that they're using is made of paper. It's paper tape instead of plastic tape. So packaging wise, I think they have really got a big thumbs up from me for the way they've done it. And the actual bullet lipstick, as you can see, it is a beautiful lavender shade and very sleekly, you know, Clome Essentials is written. I like that the name on the bottom is, you have a shade, you don't have a color coordinated sticker unfortunately, but the name is in bold so I can read that. It has a push button technique. When you push it in, you will get it out and you will also see a different print on the inside, which is I think very pretty, very different. It really stands out in my vanity amongst other lipsticks that I own. So definitely when we want different lipsticks, we want them to also have different packaging, and I think this totally does that. Some of the key things that I really was interested about the brand was that they are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they are PETA certified. They are really careful about this. We're very particular on being cruelty free and being certified from PETA. So I think these things really make them stand out, and I think we would love to buy lipsticks which will create a difference in some form. And of course with the seeds, tell me in the comments how many of you really appreciate this. And by the way, this is going to be a part of the giveaway. This kit which has mini lipsticks and this one which is also their lip oil, this will be a part of the giveaway. You can read more details of the giveaway in the description box, so please do look at it and participate. I'll be more than happy to get these sent to you. Winters are coming And this, I would say, is the perfect formula for winters because it's so creamy. Of course, it works beautifully all across the year, but for some people who have very dry lips, who want ultra moisture on their lip, this lipstick will do really well. And it's extremely hydrating on the lip. Of course, it glided like makhan, and it has vitamin E and shea butter, which really nourishes the lip. I feel that it doesn't feel heavy on the lip, but it really takes care of my lip for a really long time. And more than that, the finish itself, you can see, is very creamy. I'm so glad they're not trying to call it creamy matte or something like that. They're just saying it is creamy buttery texture, and which is what I 100% agree. In terms of how long it lasts, it is definitely not transfer proof. I'll show that to you. It is not transfer proof. It will transfer a lot. In fact, when I wore the red, I felt it transferred a lot, but it didn't like move out of my lips. It did stay decently even past the meal, which is what really impressed me. Even though it's transferring, it's not like coming off my lip. I don't know how that happens, but that is what this is like. I would say the color range is not too much. It's a new brand. They just have 7 shades, and the 7 shades, I think that the browns that they have a very light brown, medium brown, a dark brown, and then they have a couple of reds and 1 pink. This is what they have. But I'm happy with the shades because nothing looked very off. I think it suits very well for Indian skin tones. So in that way, I would definitely say the shade range is nice. I'm sure they will make a lot more shades as they progress and as they grow. I'm more than happy to have a made in India brand which is doing so well. This is a shade called Clovewood, and I would say this is a beautiful muted brown. I am NC42 in MAC. This looks like a wonderful slightly grey toned brown for me, and I really like this shade. It will suit across all skin tones. I think for just note, but the teeth will be slightly looking yellow in this. I don't mind that. I really love this shade. This is a shade called Hibiscus Blush, a wonderful everyday wearing pink shade. You could see the pigmentation is really good. It does hide my pigmented lip, and you can build it up some more. I haven't even built it up enough. I just put a little. I like that it's very wearable, and yeah, it looks really nice. This is a shade called Cinnamon, and as you can see, this is just the color of my own lip, and I have very pigmented lips, but it covers it up very well. This is on days when I just want to have some lipstick without it looking too loud. This will be a wonderful nude shade for very fair girls. For me, it works. I'm not sure how it will be for very dark girls. Maybe you can stay away from this one. But I really like the shade because for an everyday, statement making lips, this would be nice. If I do some heavy smoky eyes, this lipstick would be perfect. This is a shade called Maraschino, and it's a deep red. I love these kind of deep reds, and I generally like them more matte, but even with this I'm fine. I'm actually pretty happy with the finish of it because it's not overtly glossy. It is wearable, it's creamy, so it's nice. This is a shade called Moonrise, and I think that this is slightly purplish, mauvish toned lipstick, And again, this will work across all skin tones, but yes, this has a little gray tone. It's a cool tone lipstick. So if you don't like cool tone lipsticks, you should watch out. But I really think all the lipsticks, all the shades look nice on me. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe right away. It doesn't cost you anything. It's just a click away, and also make sure you click on the notification bell so that you get updated on all my latest posts. This is another beautiful shade called Rosewood. It is more warmish brown, and I will say that again, this will suit across skin tones. This is a perfect nude for even girls who are, 2-3 shades darker than me. You will love this. This is on a slightly darkish tone. If you like it, I like it. So I think it's really looking nice. Since I'm doing the swatches in natural light, of course, I can see there is a change in the lighting. It's okay, at least you're getting the swatches in accurate light, and the shade that you're seeing is actually the shade, right? I hope you appreciate that. This is a shade called Rustic Red. It is slightly orange tinted red, and it is shiny, it is creamy. I think this shade and my nails match very well. I love this particular red when I want it to just do the work for the rest of the face. I generally quickly wear a red lipstick because then I don't have to do too much on the rest of the face, you don't have to do too much on the eyes. You suddenly look all dressed up and nice. To be really honest, the whole reason I'm presenting this video, this lipstick to you, is because I genuinely love this lipstick. You must take one and try it out for yourself and leave your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you feel about this. I would love to interact with you in the comments as always. And of course, the giveaway is there. Please do make sure you check out the description. Enter the correct details of your Instagram handle. Do everything that has been asked of you, and you will receive some wonderful goodies. Alright, the winners will. That's all from me for now. Take care, keep exploring beauty inside out, drink a lot of water, and shine away. Thank you. Bye.